Alright everybody, we're back. Tomar testing facility out west of Winters, top secret location about 5 miles out. We're going to finish off the iPhone today. We're going to put it on some Tannerite, see how high we can launch it. More than likely we're never going to find it again. So one last look, this is it. Same one that we shot with the deer rifle. But anyhow, we're going to set it here. 1 pound of Tannerite, see what happens.
Action.
Yeah.
Boy, you scattered that one.
Yeah. That's what I'm talking about. iPhone, baby.
Sharpshooter.
One trick is all it takes.
Action.
All right. Well, we were able to find some of it. I don't know that it's going to work. It's not going to make any phone calls on this. That's the back part of the phone. We didn't find the front. Here's a rubber part of the outer box, which I'm going to call them on Monday and tell them they're fired because that didn't hold up to nothing. There's more of the case. I don't know what all this stuff is here. My guess is it had a parachute in it and it deployed and it came back down. I don't know what it was. But anyhow, and we messed up our disc here. Now, no fajitas tonight, dang it. But anyhow, that was the iPhone OtterBox test. Miserably failed. Thanks for watching.